Every morning, billions of people squeeze this simple white paste onto a toothbrush without giving it a second thought. But what if I told you that inside one giant factory, enough toothpaste is produced every day to fill thousands of bathtubs? From powerful mixing machines and precision filling systems to the secret behind those famous colored stripes, the journey of a single tube is far more fascinating than most people realize. Today, we're taking you inside a modern Colgate toothpaste factory to discover exactly how this everyday product is made. And make sure to subscribe to Factory Made, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at a tube of toothpaste the same way again. Long before modern toothpaste existed, people used some surprising materials to clean their teeth. Ancient civilizations experimented with crushed shells, charcoal, herbs, and even powdered bones. The goal was simple: keep teeth clean and healthy. As science advanced, these crude mixtures evolved into carefully engineered formulas designed to fight cavities, strengthen enamel, and freshen breath. Today, Colgate is one of the world's most recognized oral care brands, producing billions of tubes of toothpaste every year. But creating a perfect tube requires far more than simply mixing a few ingredients together. The journey begins long before toothpaste reaches the tube. Every ingredient arrives at the factory in carefully controlled shipments. Some arrive as fine powders. Others come as liquids stored in large containers. Before anything enters production, laboratory teams inspect every batch. Only ingredients that pass strict quality tests are approved for use. Once approved, they are stored in massive silos and tanks waiting for production to begin. Every ingredient is tracked through a digital system, allowing the factory to monitor every step of the process. Although toothpaste looks simple, it's actually a carefully balanced formula. Fluoride helps strengthen enamel and protect against cavities. Mild abrasives help remove plaque and surface stains. Humectants keep the paste smooth and prevent it from drying out. Flavoring ingredients create the refreshing taste people expect. And foaming agents help spread the toothpaste evenly throughout the mouth. Each ingredient serves a specific purpose, but none of them become toothpaste until they enter one of the factory's most important areas. This is where the magic begins. The ingredients are pumped into enormous stainless steel mixing tanks. First, the liquid ingredients are added. Next, come the powders and active ingredients. Powerful industrial mixers spin at high speeds, creating a smooth and uniform paste. The process must be carefully controlled. Even small changes in temperature or mixing time can affect the final product. Inside these tanks, thousands of future tubes of toothpaste are being created at the same time. Slowly, the mixture transforms into the familiar paste millions use every day. The toothpaste travels through enclosed pipes directly to automated filling machines. Rows of empty tubes move into position. Precise nozzles inject the exact amount of toothpaste into each tube. Every fraction of a gram matters. Once filled, the open end of each tube must be sealed. Machines use heat and pressure to create a strong, airtight seal. This protects the toothpaste from contamination and prevents leakage. The seal also helps preserve freshness throughout the product's shelf life. Within moments, each tube is transformed into a finished consumer product. But the factory still isn't finished. Before any tube can leave the factory, It must pass multiple inspections. High-speed cameras scan every product. Sensors check weight, sealing quality, appearance, and labeling. Even tiny defects can cause a product to be rejected. This rigorous inspection process helps ensure consumers receive the same quality every time they purchase a tube. Millions of tubes are checked every day, and the vast majority pass with flying colors. After inspection, the toothpaste moves to the packaging department. Machines place each tube into printed cartons. The cartons are grouped into larger shipping boxes. Robotic systems stack the boxes onto pallets. From there, they are loaded onto trucks and shipped to distribution centers around the world. Within days, they will appear on store shelves ready for consumers. Producing billions of toothpaste tubes creates a major environmental challenge. Traditional toothpaste tubes are difficult to recycle because they often contain multiple materials. To reduce waste, manufacturers have developed recyclable tube technologies using materials that can enter existing recycling systems. This innovation helps reduce environmental impact while maintaining the durability and flexibility consumers expect. It's a small change with the potential to make a huge difference. The next time you brush your teeth, take a moment to think about the incredible journey hidden inside that small tube. From carefully selected ingredients and giant mixing tanks to precision filling machines and advanced quality inspections, every step is designed to create a product trusted by billions of people around the world. If you enjoyed exploring how Colgate toothpaste is made, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And let us know in the comments which factory you'd like us to visit next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next production journey.